Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss Lesson 8 India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. In this lesson, we are going to cover the topics weather, climate, seasons, natural vegetation and wildlife. Weather and climate. Weather is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall and sunshine, etc. Climate. The climate is the average weather in a given area over a long period of time. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Altitude, also known as elevation, it means the height above the sea level of a location. A location's relief is the difference between its highest and lowest elevations. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall. Major seasons recognized in India are winter or cold weather season. Next, summer or hot weather season. Third one, rainy or southwest monsoon season. Last one, autumn or season of retreating monsoon. The first one, winter or cold weather season. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperature are quite low in northern India. Next, summer or hot weather season. In the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in the region. The temperature becomes very high. Hot and dry winds called Lu blow during the day. Next, rainy season or southwest monsoon season. This season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strike the mountain barriers, rainfall occurs. The last one is autumn or season of retreating monsoons. Winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. This is the season of the retreating monsoons. The southern parts of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. Next, natural vegetation. The grasses, shrubs and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. Different types of natural vegetation are dependent on different climatic conditions and the amount of rainfall. Due to varied climatic conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. Necessity of forest. Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The roots of plants bind the soil. Thus, they control soil erosion. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs like honey, gum, etc. Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Natural vegetation have been destroyed to a large extent because of the reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones. We can have special programs like One Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green. That's all today's class. Remaining portions we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, children.